Hello, my friends. I hope you're having an outstanding, fabulous day. It is Real Estate Tuesday. Although I get views and comments from my bestest of my bestest friends and subs, but most people don't care about my real estate tips, which is fine. But I still need to do the real estate legal tips, consumer tips, because I have so many friends and clients and supporters that I still try to reach them with those topics, because not all of them are digging my e-bike stuff. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. It's going to be short. And you know what I always say? Boom. Smash the subscribe. Click on the like. Click on the bell. Share my video. Even though I am licensed to practice law in Maryland and only licensed to practice real estate, sell real estate in Maryland, many of the principles that I discuss are applicable all over the place. And I've told you before that I have clients and friends, I should say, from all over the country, in different states, all over the place, who message me, email me, call me for real estate guidance, because the principles are the same. And what I'm going to talk about today, the principles are the same whether you are in Maryland or California, and that is this. Interest rates have dropped in the past couple weeks. They're probably going to fluctuate up and down, and more down for the rest of the year. I've been telling my buyers who've been buying this year and last year, plan on refinancing in 12 to 24 months, because that's just what the history demonstrates is going to happen with the rates. They've already started to dip a little bit. They've dipped enough that my clients, my friends, have been bombarded with refinance. And every one of my friends who called me, I say, don't do it yet. Why? Because we're just touching the dippingness. The rates are going to go down even more, and it costs money to refi. Now, there are some, like credit unions will do a free refi, but you have to keep the loan for a certain period of time. Otherwise, they hit you up with the cost, typically like 2 or 3 years. And who knows where the rates will be in 2 or 3 years. They're going to be lower. I'm telling you, they're going to be lower. And with the VA, you can do a VA streamline, but can you do a multitude of streamlines? No. So you don't want to refinance. Every person is different. Every loan is different. Every financial situation is different. So you have to look at it yourself. But before you pull the trigger on somebody who has emailed you or called you about doing a refi, research to make sure that it's right for you. One of the best sources is the person who got you your original loan, if you like them and they did a good job, and even your credit union. So just to give you an example, because the rates have come down enough for some people to consider refinancing. At a these are all 30-year loans. At a $300,000 loan at 7%, your payment is $1,996, almost $2,000. Just with a 0.5% drop, which they've done, you save about $100. You're down to $1,896. There's a couple dollars off, but I rounded up to make it easy and fit on my board. At $300K at 5.5%, which they're not there yet, but I guarantee you they are coming, you'll save almost $300. And so I'm telling all my friends right now, wait, don't refinance yet. Because every time you refinance, it costs you money. How much money? It depends on where you're getting your refi from and your existing loan. But it's going to cost you some money. So you have to verify that it is right for you to do. You have to crunch the numbers, because if you're refinancing every year, it will take many years for those refinances to pay for themselves. If you know that you're going to be moving, for whatever reason, you know that something with certainty is coming up, like your job's moving you in 12 months or whatever, unless the rates have really dipped a lot, it does not make any sense to refinance. But remember, everybody's different. Every person's financial situation is their own. And it depends on your present loan, your present interest rate and where they are. But I'm just telling you that in general, the rates are going to continue to drop. So don't be rushing to jump on the refinance market. Why are all these companies reaching out and calling and emailing everybody? Because they want the business, because they don't have any business. Mortgage companies and lenders and loan officers are starving for business. So when the rates drop, that is like throwing some chum in the water, and they're trying to catch fish. Make sure that if you're going to take the bait, you really are going to enjoy it, and it's really going to be beneficial. So that's my quick tip. Be careful of all the people bombarding you. It's like anything else. The only person who loves you is you, and maybe your close family and relatives and closest friends. But mortgage person who doesn't know you from the man in the moon, they don't love you, I guarantee you. So that's my little tip. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for subscribing and being my friend. And if you're not a subscriber, you just come across this somehow, boom, smash that subscribe. Click on the like, click on the bell, share my videos, tell your friends. I love you all. See ya!